What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devin or Deteki back here with a brand new video. Today's video I have another Photoshop tutorial for you guys today. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make your own very custom brush in Photoshop. So you can do this tutorial in any Photoshop. You can use it in CS6, CS4, or if you guys have CS5 or CC, any Photoshop. It actually pretty works on any Photoshop, so it's same options, it's the same everything. So if you guys have any problems, make sure to leave it down in the comments down below. And yeah, so today's video is gonna be super easy. It's just making a brush. Brushes are a pretty good way to make in your guys' graphic designing. If you guys are trying to use brushes for just making a thumbnail or creating anything that has to do something with Photoshop, and brushes are pretty easy to use and create. So to create one is pretty easy. You just grab an image off the web. So I want to so creating a brush is pretty easy. You just have to grab an image off the web. So I looked up an image called paint splatter because that's what I want. I want a paint splatter brush and I don't have one yet, so I really need one. So I'm gonna grab this image. You don't really have to save the image as or anything. You just copy the image, right click on the image, and then press Ctrl V, and then resize the image into you guys' template. You guys can start with any template size. It doesn't really matter. So once you are finished, you guys go over here to the left side of the toolbar and go to the magic wand tool, and you want everything. But you guys don't want the white part, right? So I go ahead and left click on the white part and press Ctrl X, and that deletes everything that's white in the background, but it just leaves everything that's colorful in front. So I go over and back to the left side of the toolbar, and I click on the rectangle tool, marquee tool, and I highlight everything that I want inside the image, and since everything's highlighted here, I go to the left I go to the left top corner over here next to file where it says edit. Click on edit, and then click on define brush preset, and you name your guys' brush to whatever you guys want. So I'm gonna name it as paint splatter. Press OK, and you guys are pretty much done. So now you just go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and open up a new file, and it doesn't really have to be anything. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what to do. Let me change it black so you guys can see the brush. So press B on your keyboard for the brush tool, so it comes up. So to open up this selection, you have to hold B and right click, and it gives you guys the selection. So any of the brushes you guys make or create, it's gonna be all the way down to the down of the brush category, and it'll be the very last one. And there you go, guys. This is your guys' brush, right? So you can resize your brush using Control Alt right click and holding them all three of them down and moving the side to side, or you guys can do the or you guys can use your left and right bracket tool. It's on your guys' keyboard next to backspace and enter, your guys' bracket tool, so you can just use left and right. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a new layer. I don't want to paint on the black layer, and I'm gonna use white, and there you go. That's how you guys make a brush tool. Pretty easy, right? You guys use any different colors. You guys can use red, there you go. Click it on both. You can use red. I can use blue if you guys like blue. I like blue. Blue is pretty cool. And that's how you guys make a brush. So if you guys have any help and any difficulties on how to make a brush on Photoshop, make sure to leave it down in the comments down below. I know this was a fast, easy tutorial. If you guys want to see more stuff on this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to hit the milestone 1,500 subscribers. So if you guys can get me there pretty fast, and I'll be uploading pretty soon, another week. So see you guys then. This has been your boy Devin or Deteki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.